Hi everyone, I'm Ken from CryptoTradingKS. If you're new, welcome and welcome back, KS family. Our community's mission is to bring more kindness, integrity, skill, and real wealth to the world via crypto. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin currently up 5.96% to 44,182. Ethereum up 5.32% to 3159. If you're going through a life pullback at the moment, I just want to let you know that our love and healing thoughts as a community are with you. You're not alone. The sun will come out again, and there's always hope. This video is just focused on KPMG Canada adding Bitcoin and Ethereum to its corporate balance sheet. This is really important stuff. When you understand how big corporates work, this is incredible news. I'll just give you the really rapid run through about what's happening. KPMG, an auditing, tax and advisory accounting partnership, has added Bitcoin and Ethereum to its corporate treasury. It went through Gemini Trust, which is providing the custody services. It's now joined MicroStrategy and Tesla. What is really important to understand here is what KPMG actually said about its purchase. Having gone through this process ourselves now, we are confident we can guide clients and prospective clients through the process of crypto asset treasury allocation. Our investment allows us to share our journey, our experiences, our challenges with them so that we can help them navigate the crypto asset world. If we look at the headlines for Bitcoin, we don't see this particular deal in here. We can just see various news stories, but we do not actually see the KPMG purchase. Many people might be tempted to say something like, oh, it doesn't really matter, it's just an accounting firm. You know, they're just doing what Tesla and what MicroStrategy are doing. Actually, there's something really significant about this. When you look at big corporates, at the institutions, they use the big four accounting firms. And they use the big four for a lot of different reasons, either for audit, assurance, taxation, management consulting, actuarial science, corporate finance, legal. There's so many reasons why the largest companies in the world use this big four accounting firms. That includes Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, and PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. It could be really helpful to know just how big the big four are. If we look at the revenues across Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young, and KPMG, it's a combined amount of $167.4 billion per year. If you look at that over 365 days and 24 hours, these combined big four firms earn $19.1 million in revenue every hour of every day throughout the entire year. They also employ 1.188 million employees. They're really big. To work for one of the four is a very prestigious job, and there are lots of other management consulting firms around, but the big four are really cool. You can see KPMG in terms of its annual revenues in here. It's down the bottom, but I believe KPMG is embracing crypto because it wants to change the game. It wants to battle Deloitte's, and you can see Deloitte's and PwC up here, up the top. KPMG wants to rival the other ones. To get some sort of idea or perspective on how important KPMG is the auditor of Accenture. Accenture has a market capitalization of $123 billion. Look at these audit fees from 2018 to 2019. You can see there's a lot of very high profile companies, including General Electric, and you can see also how much money is paid to KPMG, Deutsche Bank, Wells Fargo, PepsiCo, ING, Rolls-Royce, Hershey, Pfizer. You get the idea. When KPMG does something, its customers pay attention. A variety of other companies, Yum Brands, Constellation, Visa, Unisys, you get the idea. If we just dive in to General Electric, what we actually see, GE has competitors. For example, if KPMG says to GE, why don't you do what we do and put crypto on your balance sheet? Because we remember what KPMG said in its press release. Then the competitors of GE will start to get interested as well. I was a senior management consultant and trusted advisor to very large companies for a very long time, and one thing that they always look at, the boards of these large companies, they always get a member of the Big Four on board. It is a literal situation that if the Big Four don't go through something, it doesn't get the tick of approval. This is a really big thing, but I think a lot of people may not understand so much about how the Big Four work in the multi-billion-dollar corporations. They have disproportionate power. We'll keep our eyes on these total number of Bitcoin across ETFs, countries, public and private companies. There could well be an explosion. But of course, explosions don't occur overnight. This is a really, really positive thing for the crypto market, and that's why I'm pulling it out as its own specific episode, so we can refer back to this. This is part of the adoption process, and a lot of times people, when they look just purely from a technical perspective, they'll look at past price action. And the problem with this is that crypto is an adoption based industry. Its price is actually tied to its adoption. So just looking inside the charts at the technicals is purely and absolutely not enough. The other thing that you might like to keep in mind when we're looking at these Big Four accounting firms such as KPMG, they have huge networks. KPMG is a network in 145 countries with around 236,000 employees. The key here is KPMG and the other three of the Big Four accounting and advisory firms. They actually make a huge amount of money from consultative-based services, advisory services. That means that they sit in the boardrooms at the highest level and basically inform different board of directors on what they should be doing, and they seek to always keep up to date. KPMG's movement into this area is really, really significant. Once one of the Big Four actually enters, the other three will not be far behind. Crypto is all about adoption, and the fact that one of the Big Four accounting firms has actually put it on the balance sheet, put it inside the corporate treasury, is really, really significant. Let's keep our eye on how this develops, but I can tell you it's really, really good news for crypto. I hope you found the content useful. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market 7 days a week, 365 days a year, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video, such as the link to the CryptoTradingKS Masterclass. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, my friends. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.